Alright friends, we're in another exercise where LearnPack explains that React allows us to render HTML using functions. This is extremely useful because one of the features of functions is that they are reusable. So with React, we can constantly reuse these functions and repeat components, which in React are basically functions that store a snippet of HTML and interactivity that we can then reuse throughout our entire website. This way, we can save ourselves many lines of code, a lot of logic, and allow for encapsulation and inheritance. It really gives us more freedom with our code in a much easier way than we would accumulate using the DOM. So, in this particular exercise, we just need to change what this function returns. But first, let's hit the run button to see what we see on the screen. Notice that in this case, we only see an H1 that says, "Hello World." I want it to say, "I love React." So I'm going to put "I love React" and hit the run button again to see what happens. And in this case, when I press the run button, there it appears, "I love React." Perfect. Then let's go to the next exercise. But before that, let's hit the run test button to see if our test passes without any problems. And it did not go through without problems in this case. Let's see why. In this case, it failed basically because I put "I love React," but I put this L in lowercase. And the comparison that the test is doing is case sensitive, meaning it distinguishes between lowercase and uppercase letters. So perfect, we can go on to the next exercise.